New deaths blamed on the coronavirus in Georgia, a hospital now dealing with a massive problem.
We've never had to even think in terms of these numbers.
President Trump takes action to make sure health officials can fight the coronavirus.
Where does Georgia stand in the rush to get ventilators into hospitals for potential coronavirus patients? I check in with state leaders next.
A popular Midtown restaurant temporarily closes their doors but turns it into a blessing for those in need. I'll explain coming up.
Plus, which malls are closing their doors amid the outbreak? But first, we begin with breaking news at 9 o'clock. A patient being treated at Emory Healthcare has died from coronavirus.
This brings the coronavirus death toll to 4 in our state after 2 other women died at an Albany hospital. CBS 46's Trayson Bragg live at Emory tonight. Trayson?
That's right, Brittany and Sean. We actually just learned of this information from Emory Healthcare Systems just moments ago. You can see I'm standing in front of Emory University Hospital. Right now, we don't know exactly which location that patient died in, but we do know, of course, this is one confirmed death, the first at Emory Hospital. The university sent a statement that reads in part, "The Emory healthcare community is saddened to learn of the first death of one of our patients with confirmed COVID-19, despite the heroic efforts of our physicians, nurses, and care team." Right now, they are not announcing any more information on the victim, no name, or if that victim or if that person actually had any pre-existing injuries or illnesses that led to this death. Now, we're going to continue to fight for those details, and as soon as they become available, we will bring them to you. You can count on CBS 46 News to do that. I'm Trayson Bragg, reporting live in North Druid Hills, CBS 46 News.
Trayson, thank you. 2 new deaths related to the coronavirus being reported tonight in Albany, Georgia.
The 2 women who died were patients at Phoebe Putney Memorial Hospital, again in Albany. That's where CBS 46's Barmel Lyons is live tonight. Barmel, what can you tell us?
Yeah, I've learned one victim, a 42-year-old woman, the other a 69-year-old woman, both having pre-existing conditions. This hospital has quickly become a hotspot for COVID-19 cases. They've had 20 positive cases and 70 more suspected cases. They're still waiting on those results. We've learned the situation inside the hospital is becoming dire. The hospital's president says his staff has gone through 5 months of supplies in just the past 6 days.
We are scrambling. We're scrambling, and even to the point where these are N95 masks. We've got 3 days of supply of N95 masks on hand. In order to preserve these and get them to last longer, we've got a team of people sewing masks together. This is surgical sheeting, and this is our prototype. We've got about 3,000 of these made. We believe we can make 200,000 of them. It will take a few weeks, but this is the kind of what we're having to do because we don't know when that next shipment is coming.
Now, the hospital president says he's been dealing with a severe case of price gouging. Those masks usually 58 cents. Now, the Phoebe Putney Hospital has actually put in an order for a mask at a plant in Mexico. Those masks, $7 each. In Albany, I'm Barmel Lyons, CBS 46 News.
Barmel, thank you. Let's take a look at the numbers right now on the coronavirus in Georgia. So far, there are 197 confirmed cases in our state. That's up from 146 cases just yesterday. Fulton County has the most confirmed cases with 49, followed by Cobb County with 28. Nationwide, there are more than 7,000 COVID-19 cases and at least 124 deaths.
We are following more breaking news tonight. A Georgia state senator has been diagnosed with the coronavirus. State officials have not released the name of the senator who tested positive, but say their symptoms started back on March 10th. The Department of Health is recommending all state senators and staff self-quarantine for 14 days. Lieutenant Governor Jeff Duncan just announced he is self-quarantined.